Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over the inspect element. To do so, just right click on the element you want to inspect and select expect element. Now the nice thing about this is that you get to do things in real time. So if you change the numbers here, it'll automatically update the page for you. Now that's one large benefit to it, that way you don't have to keep saving and refreshing with the notepad. Now as opposed to this one's not in real time when you do inline style. You'll have to hit enter in order for that change to take effect. Now what we'll do here is do Control C to copy this block of code and go to our original code here and highlight it and Control V it so it overwrites that. That's if you want an inline style, of course. Now we do this first before we're loading the page so we can actually see it take effect on our local page. Now the reason I did this, if you refresh, it all goes away. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.